everyone. So today we are going to start our new chapter of social science, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is Man Beginning to Settle. Okay, so you have already studied in third standard about the early man. Okay, so in this chapter, in the fourth standard, we will study about the Neolithic age. First of all, what is Neolithic age? First of all, what is Neolithic age? So beta, the period, वो period in which the early man used stone tools. The early man used stone tools for different purposes. That is known as Neolithic age, or you can say stone age. Okay, so in this chapter we will read about the Neolithic age, that how the early man used stone tools for different purposes, and how then after that how early man started his next life. That is how he started the beginning of farming, domestication of animals, living in groups, invention of wheels and making of boat, making of cloths and discovery of metals. So these things we will read in this chapter one by one. Okay everyone, so let's start with the beginning of farming, that how early man started beginning of farming. So how he started beginning of farming? One day, you all know, you already studied in the third standard that early man ate raw meat. वो क्या खाता था? कच्चा मीट खाता था ना, raw meat, wild fruits and roots of the plants. So when he was eating the fruits, one day after eating the fruit, he threw out the seeds on the ground. उसने क्या किया? फ्रूट ईट करके सीड्स को ग्राउंड के ऊपर फेंक दिया. ठीक है. देन ग्रेजुअली मीन्स धीरे धीरे. ठीक है. ग्रेजुअली ही नोटिस्ड दैट द सीड्स दैट ही थ्रू ऑन द ग्राउंड, they get converted into crops and plants. Okay everyone, so this is how he think that the seeds that he threw, he thought that the seeds that he threw on the ground, they get converted into, or the seeds they grow into plants and crops. So this is how the early man got an idea of farming. Okay, so this is how after that the early man started growing crops and plants from the seeds. And by this time the early man also made stone tools. The early man also made stone tools. You can look here, you can see here, these are the stone tools beta, these are the stone tools. Then early man made these stone tools and he used them for hunting and digging the land. ठीक है, digging the land होता है बेटा ज़मीन को, मिट्टी को खोदना. ठीक है, टू सो द सीड्स को बीजने के लिए. देन ही स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोसेस एंड इन दिस वे ही गॉट एन आइडिया ऑफ फार्मिंग. क्लियर एवरीवन? Now the second one is domestication of animals. Second one is domestication of animals. First of all, what do you mean by domestication? What do you mean by domestication? Domestication का मीनिंग होता है बेटा पालना. ठीक है, एनिमल्स को पालना. ठीक है. So how then after that, after the farming, then early man started the domestication of animals. उसने animals को अपने साथ रखना start कर दिया. Okay everyone, then after that early man started keeping the animals with themselves. So why, can you tell me that why the early man started domestication of animals? Why? There are some reasons, that to get meat from them, to get milk from them, to carry the things from one place to another place. So this is that is why the early man started domestication of animals. And later on he also used these animals for plowing the fields, for plowing the fields. ठीक है, खेतों की खुदाई करने के लिए भी बाद में अर्ली मैन ने उन एनिमल्स का यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Okay everyone, so this is how the early man does these things one by one. Now the third one is living in groups. Third one is living in groups. बेटा living in groups में क्या है? Then after that, now the early man knows, early man started living in groups. Now they are living together. You can see here, look here everyone, look here. So early men living in groups, you can see here they are living in groups. Now early men started living in groups, and now they did not have to move from one place to another place in search of food. Why they did not have to move from one place to another place in search of food? Because now they are doing farming, they are keeping the animals with themselves. Okay, so they can get meat easily, they can get milk easily, so they can carry their things from one place to another place easily. So they did not have any need to move from one place to another place in search of food. Clear everyone? Now as the time passed, the early man's habitation became bigger. कहते जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता गया, जो अर्ली मैन की हैबिटेशन है, हैबिटेशन मीन्स अ प्लेस वेयर वी कैन लिव, अ प्लेस वेयर वी कैन लिव, वो क्या होते गए? इंक्रीज होते गए. ठीक है, इंक्रीज इन नंबर, बढ़ते गए डे बाय डे, बिकॉज नाउ दे आर लिविंग इन ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, सो व्हेन दे वर लिविंग इन ग्रुप्स, समटाइम दे क्वार्रेल्ड विद ईच अदर. क्वार्रेल्ड मीन्स होता है बेटा, उनका आपस में क्या हो जाता था? लड़ाई झगड़ा हो जाता था आपस में. ठीक है, सो टू सॉल्व दैट फाइट, यू कैन से, उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए अर्ली मैन मेड सम रूल्स. अर्ली मैन ने क्या बनाए? कुछ रूल्स बनाए अपने लिए. ठीक है, टू लिव इन द पीस. सो दिस इज हाउ अर्ली मैन स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन ग्रुप्स. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज एज ग्रेजुअली मीन्स धीरे धीरे. ठीक है, ग्रेजुअली they made their habitations near the banks of river. You can look here, I am reading from here. ठीक है, so gradually means धीरे धीरे, they made their habitations near the banks of river. Why they made their habitations near the banks of river? First is to get water for drinking, एक तो उनको पानी मिलता था वहाँ से पीने के लिए. Second is for irrigation, they are getting water for the irrigation. इरीगेशन क्या होता है बेटा? अपने खेतों को पानी देना. नाउ दे हैव स्टार्टेड देयर फार्मिंग ना, तो अब उन्होंने क्रॉप्स को पानी भी तो देना है. सो दे मेड देयर हैबिटेशंस नियर द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर टू गेट ईजली वाटर फ्रॉम देयर फॉर इरीगेशन. ठीक है, थर्ड थिंग इज दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग फिशेज फ्रॉम द रिवर टू ईट. So these are the reasons that they made their habitations near the banks of river, and they also started living in groups. Clear everyone? Now the next one is invention of wheel. Now the next one is invention of wheel. That how? Now we will read that how the early man invented the wheel. How the early man did invention of wheel. Clear everyone? So initially in the starting the early man used sledge. अर्ली मैन क्या यूज करता था? स्लेज यूज करता था बेटा. दिस इज स्लेज, यू कैन सी हेयर. स्लेज क्या होता है? अ व्हीकल विदाउट व्हील्स, अ व्हीकल विदाउट व्हील्स. ठीक है, जिसके व्हील्स नहीं होते, ओनली फ्लैट सरफेस, इट हैज ओनली अ फ्लैट सरफेस. ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज स्लेज. सो अर्ली मैन फेसेस सम डिफिकल्टी when he was pulling this sledge. By pulling this sledge, what kind of difficulty he faces? Because when he pulled this sledge on uneven ground, uneven क्या होता है? जो उबड़ खाबड़ सा होता है ना, जो एक प्लेन सरफेस नहीं होता. when he pulled this sledge on uneven ground, then he faces some difficulty. because हम प्लेन सरफेस के ऊपर तो easily इसको पुल कर सकते हैं, बट जब एक uneven ground होता है, uneven surface होता है, then we will face difficulty ना, we cannot pull it properly. so one day he saw, what he saw, एक दिन उसने देखा कि wooden log, one wooden log like this is a like this is a wooden log. ठीक है, wooden log, one day he saw कि that this wooden log is easily rolling on the ground. उसने देखा कि एक लकड़ी का जो गोल गोल टुकड़ा है, गोल गोल पीस है, वुडन लॉग है, ये दिस इज वुडन लॉग. ओके, ये इजीली क्या हो रहा है? रोल हो रहा है ग्राउंड के ऊपर. इट इज इजीली रोलिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो ही थिंक दैट ही कैन अटैच दिस वुडन लॉग टू हिज स्लेज. ठीक है, तो from this wooden log he got an idea to attach this wooden log to his sledge. Then he attached these wooden logs to his sledge. तो उसने क्या किया, इन वुडन लॉग्स को अपने स्लेज के साथ अटैच कर लिया. सो ग्रेजुअली दीज वुडन लॉग्स वर इम्प्रूव्ड. धीरे धीरे ये क्या होते गए, इम्प्रूव्ड होते गए वुडन लॉग्स. एंड फाइनली द इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील टेक्स प्लेस. एक तरह का व्हील ही लगा लिया ना उसने, वुडन लॉग लगाया, एक तरह का व्हील लगा लिया उसने अपने स्लेज के साथ. तो धीरे धीरे ये वुडन लॉग क्या होते गए, they get improved and invention of wheel takes place. Clear everyone? So this is how the early man did invention of wheel. And later on then he used these wheels for making the earthen pots. earthen pots क्या होता है बेटा, मिट्टी के घड़े. earthen pots क्या होता है, मिट्टी के घड़े. ठीक है, फिर बाद में उसने क्या किया, इन व्हील्स को किस चीज़ में यूज़ किया, for making the earthen pots. So this is how invention of wheel takes place. Clear everyone? Now the next one is making of boat. Next one is making of boat. Clear everyone? So how early man, you can say how early man made the boat. Now you all know, we have already discussed that early man started living in groups. ठीक है, जब early man ने ग्रुप्स में रहना स्टार्ट किया, then the population was increasing. population increase होने लगी. their habitations were also increasing. उनकी रहने की जगह जो है वो भी इंक्रीज होने लगी. मतलब अलग अलग ग्रुप ने अपने अपने घर बना लिए है ना, अपने अपने वो हट्स बना ली. So now the early man started visiting from one place to another place. अब early man ने क्या किया, जैसे हम अपने relatives को मिलने जाते हैं ना, मामा जी को मिलने जाते हैं, चाचा जी को मिलने जाते हैं, दादा दादी को मिलने जाते हैं, ऐसे early man also started visiting with one another. ठीक है, they also started visiting one another. Now how they visit one another, कैसे उन्होंने एक दूसरे से मिलना स्टार्ट किया. One day, एक दिन, yes, one day early man saw the hollow trunk of a tree. The hollow trunk of tree can easily float on water. hollow trunk means this is the hollow trunk. ठीक है, trunk means जो तना होता है बेटा, ट्री का तना होता है ना, उसमें से जब हम पूरी लकड़ को निकाल देंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, hollow trunk. hollow means खाली trunk. this is the hollow trunk. one day early man noticed that this hollow trunk of trees floated on water easily. कि water के ऊपर ये float कर रही है, water के बीच में ये sink नहीं हो रही, rather sinking, they are floating on the surface of water. so he used this hollow trunk as a boat. उसने क्या किया, इसको hollow trunk को as a boat use किया. you can see here बेटा, you can see here he used this hollow trunk as a boat. एक बोट की तरह यूज किया. सो दिस इज हाउ early man made this first boat. so this is the first boat that is made by the early man. Clear everyone? so after that these boats were gradually improved and the new advanced boats are there nowadays. so but this was the first boat that was made by the early man. Clear everyone? now the next one is making of cloths. the next one is making of cloths, that how early man started making of cloths. so you all know, you have read in the 3rd standard already that initially there were no clothes for early man, है ना. they cover their body with the help of leaves and the skin of animals, you all know. but how the early man started making of clothes, how he started. so early man learned to soften leather to make warm cloths. he used strings made from animal guts and needles made from bone. उसने क्या यूज किया बेटा, needles. how he made needles, with the help of bones. he made needles from the bones of the animals. and he also made strings. strings क्या होते हैं, धागे. ठीक है, he made strings from the animal guts. एक कैनाल होती है एनिमल्स के अंदर. ठीक है, so From there the strings were made by the early man. Okay, so this is how he made strings and needles from the bones and strings from the animal guts. Then he used those needles and strings to sew the cloths. Sew means सिलना, cloths को सिलना, ठीक है. He made cloths from woven grass and bark of for warmer climates, and he decorated his body with paints and tattoos from natural dyes. Then he also started decorating his body. He also started decorating his body from the natural dyes and from with the tattoos, ठीक है, with the help of natural dyes. Natural dyes means from the extraction of plants and leaves, ठीक है, एंड फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स, उनका जो जूस निकाल के, ठीक है. देन ही स्टार्टेड डेकोरेटिंग हिज बॉडी ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज हाउ he started making cloths and he started sewing the cloths. So from here we got an idea of the early man got an idea to make needles and strings. Now the last one is discovery of metals. The last one is discovery of metals. Now how the early man did discovery of metals? How he did, beta? The early man found some stones in the earth that could melt in fire. Early man को when he was digging the earth, he was digging the land, or you can say tilling the land, जब वो लैंड की खुदाई कर रहा था टू सो द सीड्स, तो उसको क्या मिला? वन डे ही फाउंड सम स्टोन्स, कुछ स्टोन्स मिले दैट कैन मेल्ट इन द फायर, जो फायर में क्या हो सकते थे? मेल्ट हो सकते थे. व्हेन वी विल कीप देम इन द फायर देन दे गेट मेल्टेड. ओके, सो दे वर इन फैक्ट मेटल्स. वो कोई स्टोन्स नहीं थे बेटा, वो क्या थे? दे वर इन फैक्ट मेटल्स. वो क्या थे? मेटल्स थे. वन ऑफ दीज मेटल्स वॉज आयरन. उनमें से एक मेटल क्या थी जो उनको मिली थी? आयरन थी बेटा. When they kept that iron in the fire, then it gets started melting. तो वो मेल्ट होना शुरू हो गई. ओके, these tools were better. Now the early man started making his tools with iron. जब उन्होंने देखा कि जो ये, वो तो पत्थर ही समझ रहे थे बट वो थी एक आयरन मेटल, ठीक है. जब उन्होंने देखा कि ये चीज़ मेल्ट हो रही है फायर में, देन दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग देयर टूल्स फ्रॉम द आयरन. तो उन्होंने स्टोन्स की जगह किसके टूल्स बनाने स्टार्ट कर दिए? आयरन के. नाउ दीज टूल्स वर बेटर देन द स्टोन टूल्स. अब जो आयरन के टूल्स थे वो क्या थे? स्टोन टूल्स से बेटर थे, बिकॉज दे आर मोर ड्यूरेबल. वो ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक चलते थे एंड दे आर मोर शार्पर देन द स्टोन टूल्स, है ना. सो दैट्स वाई दे वर बेटर देन द स्टोन टूल्स, बिकॉज दे वर वेरी पावरफुल एंड ड्यूरेबल. सो दिस इज हाउ the early man discovered the metals, and after discovering of these metals brought a big change in the life of early man. This brought a big change in the life of early man. So this is how early man made changes for themselves, and this is how you can say man beginning to settle. So it means how early man settled their lives. Clear everyone? So this chapter is very very easy and very very interesting. So please read this chapter at home, and also please attend your Zoom classes regularly. Okay, because in video we have only read the chapter, but in Zoom classes I am also showing you the videos side by side. Okay everyone, so please don't miss Zoom classes and read this chapter at home carefully. Bye everyone.